How to see background apps running on Android. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the easy way to see background apps running on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end so that at the end of the video you will get an idea how to view or see background apps running on Android. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, go ahead and open settings on your Android device, and then you have to turn on the developer mode. For that, you can use the search bar at the top of the screen and search for developer. Once you search for it on this drop-down box, you will see developer options. Select the developer options. Once done, make sure to toggle on the button of developer options. If it is off in this way, let's toggle it off for a while and tap on OK. So if it does not show any green button, you just have to tap on the button and turn on the developer options. Once you have done that, you have to simply scroll down and select running services to view and control currently running services. So once you open this, you will see device memory and app RAM users. So here are all the list of the app that is using the RAM. So how much storage it has been using, you can easily view here. So in that way, you can easily see background apps running on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel.